As a leader, your relationships with the people around you in the organization and on your team are the fuel for your success. In this module, you're going to learn how to cultivate effective interpersonal exchanges. The first area that you need to focus on is your ability to inquire about somebody's way of thinking. That is, when somebody tells you something, they're basically telling you what they think. The way that most people arrive at what they think is that they've seen some data, they've interpreted that data, and then they tell you what they think. Your task as a leader is to be adept at looking at the source of the data as well as the way that they interpreted the data without injecting your own viewpoint. That way you'll get a deeper understanding of why they think the way they do, and you'll be in a position to lead them more effectively. Second, you need to cultivate your skills as an advocate for your point of view. Specifically, you need to be able to speak clearly about what it is that you think while acknowledging any assumptions that might be driving your thinking. For example, if you say something like, "I could be wrong," that's a sign of confidence to your team. Finally, you want to be able to make strong connections between what multiple people think. Then that is a source of your leadership. What I mean here is that if you have person A, person B, person C, and you, it might be that each one of these individuals has a couple of key contributions to something that you then connect, synthesize, and formulate into a leadership path. So in summary, 3 skills areas that you can cultivate to be able to have effective interpersonal exchanges is your ability to inquire deeper into what somebody's thinking and why they think that way, to advocate clearly for your point of view while admitting your assumptions and that you could be wrong about something, and finally, being able to synthesize the components from multiple people into one clear leadership path that's the best one, leveraging the collective intelligence of the group.